In this video, I will show you confidently how you can buy from any Chinese supplier without using agent step-by-step tutorial using 1688 Chinese e-commerce platform. Okay, so let's get started. Well, before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you want me to procure a link on 1688, you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to procure a link on Taobao or on Pinduoduo, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how to place your order or how you can buy confidently on 1688 from any Chinese supplier without using agents. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your 1688 app. Right here, I'm going to click on here to access my 1688 app. Alright, so having opened up your 1688 app, the next thing you want to do is to make sure you add the product to cart one after the other. If you don't know how to add the product to cart, you can check the video on my channel. I have made a lot of video on how you can add product to cart, step-by-step tutorial. So once you are able to add the product to cart, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to access your cart. Then the next thing you need to do right here is to select the product. So I'm going to select on this one right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on here to proceed to checkout. Next thing you need to do is to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to make sure at this point here, make sure your Alipay is active. And next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on down below right here and proceed to payment. At this point here, you have to click on here to complete your payment. Then enter your payment password. So you can see right here that once your payment is successful, it takes you right here. So this is a proof that the payment has been done successful. Next thing you want to do is to click on here to go back to your profile. Then for you to access your profile, you have to click on here. So once you get to your profile, you're going to find the product you just paid for at this point right here. So by the time I click on here, we're going to see the product right away. Alright, so you can see the product right here. So this is how to buy from any supplier without using agent on 1688 step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taobao or on Pinduoduo, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or better still, you want to learn how you too can do it without using agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this about importation business. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.